Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car rearview camera in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car rearview cameras to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Pi 4K Dashcam Z50. Specifications. Brand name, Pi. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 105 degrees minus 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Sigma-Star. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.595 kilograms. Number 4 is Kawa D11. Specifications. Brand name, Kawa. Model, D11. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 150. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3-5. GPS logger, internal. Interface, Wi-Fi. Chipset manufacturer, M-Star. As the item number 3 we've selected, Wolfbox G850. Specifications. Brand name, Wolfbox. Aperture, f2.0. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 2880 by 2160. Max external memory, 128 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 12. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Warranty, 1 year. Number 2 is 70mm Rearview Dashcam S50. Specifications. Brand name, 70mm. Model, S500. Aperture, f1.8. Display, IPS. View angle, 138 degrees FOV. Camera resolution, 2592 by 1944. Max external memory, 128 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 9.35 inches. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Sigma-Star 8826Q. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX675. Warranty, 1 year. On the top of our list at number 1 we have new 70mm Dashcam A510. Specifications. Brand name, 70mm. Aperture, f1.8. Battery capacity, 500 mAh. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 2592 by 1944. Max external memory, 256 gigabytes. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3 inches. GPS logger, internal. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, NT96580. Image sensor, Sony IMX675. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.4 kg.